Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Wise Education Group. Today we are back with another review video with one of our students. Let's take his review upon what was his experience in Ukraine, how did he settle down and all. So let's start the video. Hi, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. What's your name?
My name is Manas Nair and I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
That's really nice to hear from you.
Thank you.
Manas, why did you choose to do MBBS abroad?
Yeah, it's been my childhood dream to pursue MBBS. I always wanted to become a doctor, and unfortunately I was unable to score the required amount of marks for my favorite colleges in India. So my father suggested me the second option to pursue MBBS from abroad. So I am here today.
Okay, Manas. So Manas, it's been a year now and you have already completed your first year journey.
Yes.
So how did you get this information of doing or getting an admission here in BNMU or universities in Ukraine? What was your source?
Actually, it's my friends. One of my friend is studying here in Vinnytsia National Medical University. She is the daughter of my father's colleague.
Okay.
So she suggested me that she herself is doing MBBS from abroad, and her experience has been pretty good till now. So her parents also suggested us. So my father contacted the Wise Education Group. We were handled by a team of Alok sir and Adi Bhaiya. They helped us. They told us the required points we should know before coming to another country to pursue a course in medicine. So that was pretty helpful.
So it's your first time in abroad?
Yes.
Right. So there has been a lot of documentation work, a lot of hectic schedule there, converting everything, your certificates there,
Definitely.
your required visa, your documents, your bank statement and all. How was your documentation process with Wise?
We faced no such problem as yet. All the documentation process was pretty smooth. Team Wise handled all the documentation. In fact, I belong to another state.
Okay.
So I have never met them personally before until the day we reached the airport. So all the documentation process was done by the team. They handled everything and we were informed about each and every. We sent our documents to them over courier services.
Okay.
And we faced no such problem.
How was your counseling session with them? Did they counsel you before you landed here?
Yes, they counseled me over phone, being a student from another state.
Okay.
So I talked to Adi Bhaiya and Alok sir. They informed me about each and every point, the procedures of the university, their requirements, and they have informed me about each and everything. Even the study pattern they follow here in Ukraine, which is different as compared to India. So I was informed about each and everything.
That's good. Manas, when you were there back in India, so you personally met Team Wise at the airport.
Yes.
Right. So how was your experience back there in India and your post-departure here? Like when you reached Kiev, were there someone to receive you? Was there any group of people who guided you towards your university? How was your experience there?
Actually, while traveling, Adi Bhaiya was with us, so we faced no problem during the travels. After reaching Ukraine, after we landed in Kiev, we were received by a team of Wise Education, and we had received a bus which had come from the university itself.
Okay.
So we were transferred from Kiev to Vinnytsia by bus. We faced no such problem during the transit.
So you were there in the bus, you came to Vinnytsia?
Yes.
And you were having your hostel in the government hostel, right?
Yes.
Hostel number 5.
Hostel number 5.
So you were allotted rooms?
Yes, we were allotted rooms.
Okay, that's nice. So Manas, when you started your classes, it's the completion of second semester now?
Yes.
After a few days, the second semester will officially begin.
Yes.
So how was your experience with the university? You know, there are so many students here. It's a diversified university with so many students from different countries like Iran, Israel, Germany, and number of countries.
Yes.
So how do you feel yourself being a part of such a national university?
Actually, it's altogether a different experience. Being a foreigner yourself in another country, you get to know people from different nations. You get to know about their culture.
Yes.
And you respect each other, which is very important.
Did you face any racism till now?
No, not at all. No racism at all. We, being students, that too medical students, we support each other. We understand each other's problem, and we are always there to help each other. We have faced no such problems here.
Manas, you know that we are all living now in a pandemic situation.
Yeah.
Ukraine was officially locked down on March 12th, and till now it has been in a lockdown situation, but the restriction has been eased for the citizens. So, as a medical student, did you face such difficulties while in this pandemic era? What were your situation here in Venezia? What were the difficulties that you faced?
Overall, all around the world, this pandemic situation has caused a lot of trouble to
Yeah.
each and every human being.
Yes.
So lockdown was the perfect measure which was undertaken by each and every government of different countries.
Definitely.
So during the lockdown period, we were already informed prior to the day of lockdown that there shall be a lockdown from the 12th. We had to follow certain set of rules which were already provided to us. We were maintaining proper sanitization. We were provided masks and gloves.
The university authorities have given you a set of rules.
Yes, they have provided a set of rules. They have restricted the hostel timings.
Okay.
They have also restricted the entry of people who are not living in the
Outsiders.
hostel. Yeah, they have restricted the entry of outsiders. They have set hostel timings for us. There has been we have been provided with desanitization points at the entry of the hostel, and we were specially told to stay in our rooms.
So there were strict instructions that
Yes.
you need to follow, or else there will be consequences.
Yes, exactly.
No, it's good. But if you are speaking about students from different countries, you are taking them and keeping them in a hostel, so it's the responsibility
Yeah.
of authorities of the university to take proper care of them. And you face no such difficulties there.
We face no difficulties.
That's really nice. Manas, how was your experience till now in Venezia? Particularly in Venezia, because it's almost a year now you
Yeah.
are here. How did you like the place? What was your experience here in the university with all your new friends? How was it?
Overall, I would just say that it has been a wonderful experience here in Venezia. This is a beautiful city,
Yeah.
and you get to learn new things when you live in a new city. The one main thing which I learned is cooking, being independent, away from home. It being my first time, I got to learn a lot of new things.
Uh-huh.
And Venezia is a really beautiful city. The people here are very supportive. They treat us like their own people. There's no distinguishing between as if we are Indians.
You feel
or-
safe?
Yeah, we'll feel very safe. There's no such problems faced here in Venezia. And the university team is also really good. Our teachers are very supportive. They understand us. And our classes are in English, so we face no such problems here. And other than that, we are also learning the Ukrainian language.
So you could have a good conversation with people at
people.
least.
Yeah.
Definitely, you should learn the language. You should respect the culture where you are living now,
Yeah.
and you should have a positive attitude towards it. Manas, did you feel any difference between the WISE education group or the team WISE and different consultancies?
Definitely. I think Team Wise has always treated us students like their own. We have always felt like a family together. Our seniors were always there to help us. We did not face any such problems here in Ukraine or in Venezia. I would only like to thank Alok sir and Adi Bhaiya who were always there for us. And they have helped us in every possible way. I would just like to thank them once again.
On behalf of Team WISE, I really thank you for your generous comments.
Thank you.
What is your message towards the future medical aspirants back there in India or those who are watching the video? What is your small message?
I would just like to say that MBBS is not a easy option. It's difficult to pursue, but if you have the will to pursue MBBS, you should definitely give it a try, because this is a very interesting course, and if you want to serve the humanity at its best, you should pursue MBBS. There's no such limit for your options. You can always pursue MBBS either in India or abroad, and medical students are all around the world, so we'll help each other, we'll support each other, we'll support humanity. Thanks.
It's a very good message from Manas Nair. Thank you, Manas,
Thank you
for
very
your generous comments and your time.
Thank
So this was Manas Nair. He is a student of Vinitsa National Medical University. He has already completed his first year,
Yes.
and he will be now going towards his second year. A new journey for him. We all thank you for watching this video. Please give a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.